So this is a little video tour of my old friend. I've been mowing with this thing since I was a teenager, so it's been around a long time. This is the second engine on it. The Briggs was getting too expensive to fix, so I went out and bought this little $100 Chinese job, which I didn't expect it to last more than a year, but here it is, I think 4th season. And self-propelled, went out, kept locking up. I had to just took the gears off because I never used it anyway. Only complaint of this Chinese engine is the steel, like on the muffler bolts, were really brittle and they snapped. I did put some other bolts in there, had to tap out the holes. The spring actually holds the muffler on. Surprisingly enough, it works. That black clamp is the kill switch, and the steel on the gas tank was just really brittle too, so got tired of trying to wire it up and keep it from falling and burning through fuel hoses and spraying all over the hot engine. So that's what I did. I just riveted some aluminum to the top of it, rerouted it, tied it on with some wire, and it works, you know. The deck is rotting through on this thing, so this motor is actually about to go on my brand new Toro with a Briggs. I've cut maybe 10 acres with it and it won't crank or run, and I'm good with carburetors and everything. It just, government regulations, you know. So the Briggs is basically a piece of trash, and the Chinese one right here has held up for almost 4 years now. This is how you choke it. It's a Christmas tree ornament hanger on the choke, and I just clamped that little clamp on there. Throttle I had to rig up with that bolt. It's not even the proper clamp. I always have bolts around, so I can rig just pretty much anything. I could fix it right, but hey, you know what? It mows. It's a beast. It'll take down bushes and everything else. You know, saw right through them. It's hard to choke it out. But just got it out and fueled it up. I haven't even turned the fuel on yet, so this is cold start. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, the rope broke like immediately when I got this engine, so that's a rigged up rope. Well, she might make a liar out of me today. Yeah, I'd killed it with a throttle, that's why I wouldn't crank. But yeah, there you go. Pretty much one pull usually. Well, I thought some people might appreciate that.